Drone footage shows Europe's tallest volcano spewing smoke and lava on a snow-capped Mount Etna. Lava and ash emissions have increased in the last few days, primarily from the summit craters. Located on the Italian island of Sicily, Etna is also Europe's most active volcano, though its outbursts rarely cause significant damage. Tourists climbing Sicily's Mount Etna volcano at night in sneakers and light clothing. To get a close-up view of an ongoing eruption may be risking their lives. Europe's highest and most active volcano erupted in spectacular fashion last week, lighting up the night sky with explosions and bright red molten lava. We had a number of people who got lost and could not find their way back because of the fog that suddenly appeared. Spending a night out at these temperatures can be very risky, Leonardo Lapaica, regional president of the Sicilian Alpine Speleological Rescue Service, said on Friday. Speaking to broadcaster Radio 24, Lapaica said that the lava flow had reached more accessible areas than usual, at around 1,850 meters above sea level. That has prompted many tourists to venture out at night when the flare is more scenic. But some do not go properly equipped and often get too close to the lava, he said, with the risk of being hit by pieces of rock thrown out by the explosions. The ground is impervious, with ice and snow, it is cold and the weather can change abruptly, Lapaica added.